Stop wasting time manually scanning eBay sellers. This tool, click of a button, you can scan all of your competitors' products to find the best seller. And you can see right here, we already found a best seller unique product. And it's not a cat, it's a cat cable. We've got 10 sold in the last 24 hours, $59.99, over 2,500 sold. And guess how we found it? Well, we found it utilizing Zik Analytics. Right? And Zik Analytics is one of the best eBay tools right now. Now, it's not perfect, but you can go to zikanalytics.com. There's a link in the description. They also have some free trials. We've got a discount, things like that. But this is what it looks like. All right. So you're going to go to competitor research right here. But before we do that, this is the home screen. And I know it looks, I changed it to the black color because I like the nighttime. But it's got the trending niches right here. Niches, however you want to say it. But you can see number one is hair beard cordless, but I don't care about that. Pet supplies, that's where the money's at. The pet supplies, there's a very, very low return rate. So you can look at these and you can click analyze niche, and then you can double check all of the products that are the top selling items in this category. We've got the cat tower tree condo, whatever that is. And so you can see all these top trending items, and that's going to really help you find a good product to launch on eBay, or find a good seller that you can utilize their products to launch on eBay, right? So I'm just clicking the pet supplies, and when I click on that, it does take me here, and it takes me to the pet supplies, and it shows me the top sellers. So right now it's showing me the actual seller name. And I can click on this button and automatically do an analysis of all the products this seller sells. But this product, it looks like it's a little harness for a dog, and it made 1,869 sales in the last 30 days. And I can like filter this list. I can export this list. We've got some other things right here. We've got this flea treatment. If you wanted to sell that as well, 304 sales. Not bad at all. So you can double check all of that data. But what we can do is just click on them. I'm actually going to manually click on this listing. And when I manually click on this listing, I just want to double check that Zik Analytics is actually correct. And they are. 7 sold in the last 24 hours. Almost 4,000 sold, right? And you can kind of go through the list. Very nice. But very cool product. I don't know how they have 100% positive. I don't even think that's possible. They must be cheating the system. But what you're going to do is copy their seller name, right? I'm going to go back into Zik Analytics. You're going to go to competitor research. You're going to paste in their seller name. You're going to click search, and then it's going to automatically search all of the products that they sell. And then what you're going to do is go to the last 30-day sales. You're going to filter it. I'm going to filter it by the highest amount of sales to the lowest in the last 30 days. And we can see some of their, it looks like it's not showing all of their products, surprisingly, because we just saw that one, but we can see some of their other products that they sell. $3,000 in the last 30 days, 1,000, 2,000. So we're able to see some of their other products, like they also sell massage seats, bras or tank tops. And this is a AI translator, right? So some different ideas to get you going. This is for lemons. Wow, this is making 6,000. So again, finding a good idea just from looking at some of the sellers. Oh, it's out of stock. Wow. So this one's completely out of stock. 282 sold. This one could potentially be a winner right here. I would double check all the competitors, but just to see something that's sold out, that's a good sign, right? But we can find another item. So again, I'm just doing the top research on Zik Analytics, and I'm finding other items. And once I find an item that looks pretty interesting, like this one has 308 sold, 143 carts, I can then again copy their name, go into Zik Analytics, paste their name, and then click search, and then do the same exact thing where I see all of the products that they sell, and then filter it by 30-day sales to see if they have any other top selling products that we could potentially sell. So again, they have, this is their main bestseller. And then we can see another item that they're selling, and they're making $3,000 in the last 30 days in revenue. And this is another telescope. So they really love telescopes, this seller. And then we can continue to move on depending on their sales. Oh, let's actually go down. So actually this is filtered wrong. So I'd have to change the filters because this one is 14,000. So this telescope is making even more money, 14,000 a month. I want to sell this one. This is crazy. In 25 carts, and this one made $14,000 in the last 30 days in revenue, which is pretty darn good. So you could start getting into the microscope business. I'm sure, or the telescope business. I'm sure you wouldn't have thought about that unless you were checking on Zik Analytics. And then another one, we've got this cat. So what I did product research, and I typed in cat on Zik Analytics, and it showed me this cat cable, right? So this one has a lot of sales. Again, we're going to copy their name, their seller name, go back into Zik Analytics, type in Nave Point, click search, and then again, it's showing us all of their products. And not only that, so this one has total sold, right? A lot of items, a lot of sales. We're going to go back to the 30-day sales, and we can see some other sales that they're making. And again, 1,000, 600, 100. And we want to see if there's any big sellers here. Looks like they sold out of this one because right now in the last 30 days, it's saying 0, but they had $46,000 in sales, which is really good. So we definitely want to just kind of triple check all of these items. Now I do know for a fact they had some other items, so we can do more filters. Let's see. Let's go to total sold. There we go. So if we filter it by total sold, then we can see that this one has $500,000 sold in total. And what is it? It's something you would least expect, but those are the items that do the best. And it is a metal box. Just kidding. It is a server data cabinet that they sell for an extremely high price. And it's just a metal box. I can promise you that. Look, it's a metal box. Look, you can open your metal box, you can lock your metal box, and the metal box comes with a tiny little fan, and they're selling it for $315, which is completely insane. Yes, they're making a lot of money. Yes, they made practically $500,000 in revenue off of this, and it has another huge potential. We're gonna look at another product, Any Home. This looks like a thermal pet little mat, pretty cool. So again, we're gonna go to the competitor research. I'm just typing in their actual seller name. We're clicking search. Then it's going to do it super fast, by the way. And then we're kind of going through, and we can see the product right there. We can see the 30-day sales. We can see the total sold. And then we can filter it through here to find another item like this one right here that made $52,000 total, $1,000 in the last month. And it's a cleaning sponge. So they just sell random stuff. And these are the sellers that we want to be analyzing because their items are just completely random, or they're just trying to make a lot of money. So I can go to the total sold. There we go. There we go. $200,000 in sales. Red light, again, a diamond tester. Smart. Now they have an external tool that might actually have some type of system where the quantity automatically recoups, and 3D Sellers has a tool like that. I did make a video on that if needed. But again, you can go through and again just copy the seller name, put it in, and then double check it. They also have a tool where you can check the profit. So if you're like, oh, this looks great, this is amazing, but the sell price is only $14, you definitely want to double check the profit. So you can go back in. They have a profit calculator in Zik Analytics as well. You can copy the item. Let's say we're going to sell this Santa blow up. Copy the item ID right here. Come back here, type it in, click search. It's automatically going to put all of the costs in here. All you have to do is find the cost of goods. And we're going to say the cost of goods for here. If we're buying it from China, which it definitely is, and it's going to come here, it should be around $12. And let's do another $12 for shipping. And then the total profit's around 49 bucks. Worst case, you should be making at least $30 profit per sale for this. So another huge opportunity. So I'm just trying to show you how quickly you can use Zik Analytics to find competitors. And then once you find those competitors or two top products, you can double down on the ones that are making the most amount of money. And that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also do full eBay account management. We'll help you find products. We'll make sure you're profitable. We'll do your designs, your SEOs, and more to make sure your sales are increasing on eBay. You don't have to manage it every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.